trace the years in winding gears, turns of time, the paths we steered. You were my compass, true and clear, through dreams we built, our visions near. I watch you now, a light in halls, teaching young minds with strength that calls, but in our quiet, something's lost. A shadow falls at love's own cost. Once we dreamed the same bright dawn, we built a world and traveled on. Now, in twilight's cool, I stand alone, a clock unwound, a heart full grown. Your voice has turned sharp-edged and wild, no longer soft, no longer mild. The friend I held, the lover true, feels distant now, a sky gone blue. Is it fear that steals your heart? Of what's to come when work departs? Will dreams dissolve when the school bell's done, leaving you adrift without a sun? I mend old clocks, watch time repair, I write and sing, but still, you're there, a ghost of warmth, a wisp of song, the harmony that feels all wrong. Yet I hold hope in gears and springs, that love will turn, reset the rings. For in the depths I wait for you, for the friend, the lover I once knew. Through hands of time I'll keep the course, steady my faith, defy remorse. I'll be here still, in patient truth, to greet the wife I knew in youth. Let tempers fade and shadows wane, let kindness mend where there's been strain. For when we meet, our visions near, our dreams reborn, our skies will clear.